is Blues and the Vine. This was our slow swing class. And we started off by doing some technique for slow swing outs, including slowing down, getting a little bit low, and really connecting with our partner and finding those air points.
Yeah, so we just said our pulse goes from really hard or a little bit more bouncy to a little more of a smoother. And that helps stretch with all that music as well, because the music has a little less of that as well going on. Then we talked about the distance we travel when we do the build up, the wind up for the swing out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I've moved like 1.5 meters.
And I'm still trying to back up. I'm actively trying to go backwards.
Yeah, if I let go, Joe would go through the doors.
I'm going to wait.
So we've got that nice wind up. 1, 2, lots of energy, and
5, 6,
release.
7, 8.
So that release is so soft and chilled, you just flow through it.
Yeah, and by creating all of that tension, that gives me stretch that I can use in my swivel. So on count 6, I want to be looking over my shoulder. Make sure your elbow is down and not up high, so keep it down. Count 6, my weight is in my right foot, and then I'm going to go 7, 8, and then I'm ready to keep going.
Yep.
So I'm going to show you that without stopping.
Leads, I just do a little side step, a little crab walk, sort of into my triple step there. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm trying to unravel slowly. The other option is, as a follow, I can drop the triple step on 7 and 8 and turn it into a swivel.
In the same walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Or 1, in which case I'll need to do a 1 and 2. Because I can't rock step because I'm on split leg.
Yeah, leads, be responsive, feel, pay attention, and then go with the swing out from there.
Swivels are super personal. This is just how I like to do them. Find your own thing, but you know.
Yep. And then we had pull through. So it's a pass by with a switch hand. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I go 5, 6, 7, and 8.
And Andy's really launching or pulling me through.
It's like the 5, 6 is like this weird little mixed moment where there's energy going through my arm pause and then release. And I travel backwards with the 6, 7, 8.
Follows, depending on exactly what time you get that release from your leads, you may need to fudge your footwork a little bit.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a really nice little jump.
But try to make it a nice line at the end.
Slow, fast.
Milk and burn.
Cool.
Then we moved back into the things that we did in our ballroom in
Yeah,
class.
so we can do our nice little pivot from there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Into the leg sweep. Works beautifully in swing as well.
And also you could just also pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, start. And then just hang out and slow drag for a little while until you hear the next phrase that you might go swing out again.
So for these slower songs, switching in between blues and swing and back again is a wonderful way to really explore the music and be super musical with how you connect with it and your partner.
Yep, that's everything. Cool, thank you.